Hello everybody, this is a video showing my pencil collection. All of these are mechanical pencils. I am particularly passionate about drafting pencils, and so most of them are drafting pencils. As you can see, I have 12 wrap cases. Derwent is making them. And I think that just one video will be not enough to show you everything, so maybe in this video I'll just give you a short overview of my collection. As you can see, some of the pencils are wrapped in these plastic bags that I use when I carry them around to avoid any kind of damage. Most of these boxes are Rotring ones, but as you can see, there are also other. So maybe I can show you my favorite pencils, and here you can see some Rotring pencils. Those are the 600, and I have 0.3, 0.5, 0.7 and 0.9 millimeters, and those are probably the early version, but not the earliest. German made. This is a very precise instrument. I do like it a lot. Probably this is my favorite pencil after all. A very nice drafting instrument. And here there is the Rapid Pro, which is a sort of renewed version of the Rotring 600. It is a Rotring product. Newer one, and instead of having a fixed tip, in this case the nib is retractable. This is the 0.3 millimeter version. No, excuse me, this was the 0.5. And then let's see what I can show you. Okay, this is the 600, and it is a very nice trio pencil. This means that this includes 3 writing instruments in one. You have the 0.7 lead, and then a blue and a red pen, all in one instrument. The weight is very high. It is, you know, a very solid instrument. I would say that, you know, it's probably the sturdiest pen that I have. Also, this one I have different versions, and particular thing about this instrument is that depending on how you incline the pen when you use it, and you press down the button and a different instrument will come out. Over there are the Pilot S10, the plastic one, and now this is the S20, which is a very nice wooden instrument. They make them in different colors. This is also a pencil that I like a lot. Okay, over there, those are the retro, hopefully I am pronouncing it correctly, retro pencils. They are similar to the 600. You can notice that the design is a bit more, it's a bit bigger. This color in particular is my favorite one. The feeling of the surface is very nice. It seems soft, but it is all metal. And there is also this one, which is the yellow one, a color that I like a lot. This is the Rotring Trio pencil. There are many different versions of this mechanical pencil. I like it a lot because it includes 3 instruments in one pencil. So you have the 0.3, 0.5 and 0.7 millimeter all together. And well, as you can see, depending, also in this case, like I showed you for the Rotring 600 Trio pen, depending on how you incline, a different lead size will come out from the pencil. And this is useful, for example, if you want to use a 0.5 and a 0.7 millimeter colored lead together with a 0.35 standard lead. Those are the Rotring 500, an older version from the 90s or the 80s. This is a pencil that I received a few hours ago. It is an alpha-matic gray, I would say, an alpha-matic gray pencil. And I do have both the plastic and the metal version of the alpha-matic pencils, as you can see in the background. I think that this is one of the best designed mechanical pencils, and it is particular because for what I know, this is one of the first automatic pencils, so it means that when you are out of lead, out from the nib, then just the contact with the paper will release other lead. I probably gave a better description of these instruments in my blog. The link is in the description of this video. Here there are the metal ones, both the bronze and the titanium version. The titanium is the darker one. These two that I'm showing you right now are very similar, but this one should be the first model, so there is no bronze or titanium written on the barrel of this pencil. It's just alpha-matic. And then there is this one, which is the executive. I have 3 of them. They are particularly shiny, and you know, the look is very nice in my opinion, although it is very easy to get dirt on the surface. What I can say is that all these alpha-matic pencils are very very fine instruments. It is very hard to damage them, you know. It is difficult to scratch them. It's a huge quality. As you can see, those are all pencils, but also the pen is made, and maybe in a future video I will show some of the alpha-matic, alpha ball actually is the correct name, pens that I have. This is the TK-matic, which is similar to the alpha-matic, but it is the drafting version, and this is an automatic pencil too, so the lead is automatically released. Let's see if I can show you how it works. So if you see, if I use my finger to press, you see, okay, if I press down, so the lead, when pressing the pencil down on paper, the lid will be automatically released. And this is the plastic version, the green one, on the upper right corner. Well, I can also show you what else. Let's see, the 600, the gold 600. Before that, okay, this is the 900, the Rotring 900. It is a very nice pencil, and it is particular because there is this knock mechanism to release the lid, as you can see. So it is quite uncommon, and probably it surprises a lot of people. You can impress them with this pencil easily. And there is this satin version, and then the chrome version. And okay, now I think that we can move to the already. No, okay. Excuse me. This is another retro pencil. I like it because it's like, you know, it seems like the Batman pencil with this black shiny look. It's very nice. Okay, and now finally we have the 600 gold. This one is probably a Japan version, and yeah, I do like it a lot. On my blog you will find a review and a comparison with the modern Rotring 800. This is one of my favorite pencils, and I own many of them. And yeah, I do appreciate this instrument a lot. This is another trio pencil from Rotring. As you see, most of the pencil that I am using are Rotring pencils. If you notice, these pencils are I use them often. I try to, you know, use each day a different wrap. So okay, this is just to show you something a bit more, let's say, stupid. Probably it's a ruler, a pencil ruler. Just what else? So yeah, I think that this may be enough for this video. I hope that you like it, and I'm sorry for my bad English. I always try to do my best. And if you have any question, please feel free to ask them. And of course, if you want a review of a particular pencil that you see or that you saw here, and if you have any question or curiosity about one of these pencils, please feel free to ask, and I will try to make a video where I answer. So thank you very much for watching the video, and see you soon.